Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I'm Allie, this is He Skates, She Creates. I'm the She Creates of the whole thing. Not great at intros still, after all these years, because I don't practice enough. I am precariously perched on a Tupperware, and we are rolling. I have my emotional support Yoda cup full of emotional support coffee, and we are doing headphones today because I'm actually in the middle of the research stage. A different video about this tablet I got, but part of what's holding me up is I don't have any headphones right now. I was holding out for some of the JLab minis. I still have not gotten them. When everyone went crazy for them, the price went up, and everyone's like, but they're on sale, and I'm like, no, they're not. And then recently, in a bag of video ideas, I found these. So we're just gonna use these, at least for now. So what I got, they're both from Big Lots, and I have no idea how long ago I got them. So I don't even know if this company exists anymore. Galaxy buds, and then these kawaii over the ear here from Walmart from like ages ago, and it's a mess, so we're just gonna keep that down here. And we're gonna go to our settings. We have some Hobbit music we're gonna put on. It was not this color when it was charging in the plug. It was red. It's supposed to be pretty. Whoa. Okay, now it's changing color. Well, I don't know if you could see it. When I first pulled the lid off, it was like bright red. Oh, now it's pretty. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm like so happy right now. Oh, when it was charging on the plug, it was just like bright red, and I was so sad. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna have to hide this from my kids. Okay. Oh. Oh. Arts with zigzing. We are back from intermission and jamming out to Hobbit music. Like, no lie, I was dancing around everywhere. The sound on these is so good. Why? How? I'm so happy right now. It feels so good, and it is getting late. I took an extended fixing the storage break because I was enjoying the music so much. I really was. I was just like, feeling refreshed. All right, now to the cat ears. And now I'm excited. Have you ever had the ones where this part folds and it really doesn't do anything to the size of it? Got buttons, fancy buttons. I don't know what they do. The ears are supposed to light up. Colors. Horrible cat. It's active. Oh, there's my lights. I guess sinking into the Tupperware isn't such a bad thing. Oh, coming against the wall. That feels nice. Let's get some more colors going here. Okay, back to the Hobbit music. Archer Burgle Cat. In case you're wondering why I keep calling it Archer Burgle Cat, it's the It's gonna give me an ad. No. It is gonna be so hard to not wear these around the house and only save them. I don't want to go back in there. I don't blame them. I don't want them back in there anyway. But I got these. So, I'm gonna put on a podcast on my new Galaxy earpods. They're so pretty. Just look how pretty. Focus. 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 Come back soon. Subscribe to hang out. If you see the name change, don't worry about it. My kid likes to pull pranks on me. Hope y'all have a lovely whatever. And that's it. Good night.